I'm gonna fish these trees here. Best I can. I may get a snag, but we'll see. You get so many sticks here, those fish are probably at the bottom. It's dingy water, so I have to let it drop. But I don't have my fish finder to tell me how deep it is. And yeah, so here comes another idiot, 90 miles an hour. I can already tell that I prefer this lake in the evening because most people were probably out on the big water. These guys are all coming in. It's gonna push me into some wood, and I don't want to. So that's a good cast right there, right at the base of that tree. Because those bass will hang out right close to them. Anything in the water that they can hide from the sun, they're going to be. But I got to determine the depth. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000. I'm thinking I'm about 8, 10 feet of water. Those boats are coming through that main channel pretty quick. Man, it is getting roasty out here.